Hello. I'm so glad you could come and spend some time with me here. And if you're joining me here today for the first time, my name is Savera, and today I'm going to show you the finished journal that I've made that I had initially started from the collaboration called How Boho Can You Go? And I designed the cover in that first video, which was about 2 years ago. So now I've finally finished it, and I have some process videos. I have about I think 2 or 3 process videos which I'm going to link down below, and you can always go and check those out. One of the videos, the last video that I made, in which I had made this one and some other things. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording, and by the end of it, when I saw the video never recorded. So let me know if that's ever happened to you. So just let's go through this first. This is going to be quick because this is just a paper bag, a tea-dyed paper bag that I've collaged on, and it has all the leftover words and sayings and butterflies cutouts that had come with the kit that I have not used. So this is the stuff that this has. So I'll just keep this to the side and we can go ahead. I'll just zoom it in a little bit so you can see better. So this is a beautiful cover. These are the inserts that we've made. These two are the paper clips, these ones. This is a paper clip, this is a paper clip, and this is a flap-on scrappy writing pad. And this is a flip-flop journal. So it's going to open like this from the front. So I'm going to zoom it back out just to show you the whole construction of it. So this is the front part, and this is the middle part, and this is the back part. So this is one signature which is sewn in at the back, and that was the second signature at the back, and this is the first signature in the front. So if I open it up like this, it will go like this. And I think I've shown this in that video as well, but at that time it was not decorated, and it didn't have everything that it has now inside. And some things have fallen out. I'm going to put them back in as I go. So let's start. This was the back. These two things are at the back. This is just a printout I had taken on an old book page, and this is from my grandfather's stash, and it has typewriting on it. And the paper is vintage, and it's the beautiful printables that they gave us, Rachel and Angela Kerr. Okay, so I made this with you in the video, one of the videos, and it has more sayings and inserts that came with the kit. Here you go, and I've just put those in, and this is a nice little planner. It's just for 2 weeks to 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Yeah, so it's 1 month's planner. You can plan your 1 month, a special month. Maybe you can do it in December. So you can plan one of your months in here, and this goes in like this. Then I made this scrappy pad, writing pad. I showed you how to decorate it with these trims and how to layer it, and this trim that we put on. And it's just a scrappy pad. You can use it for just writing or putting in, inserting something that you may want to. Just some nice paper. It's just lying around, so I'll tuck it down somewhere. So this is a signature with different colored pages, a lighter green and a darker green, and some embossing. And it has this writing and scrappy pad as well. No, this one's not scrapped really. It's just a nice colored yellow writing pad. I just put a sari ribbon bow on here. Maybe we can put this in if this goes in. No, it's too tall. Okay, then I put this in this pocket that I showed you in the earlier videos. It's cut out from an envelope, that wedding invitation envelope that I had, and I just put these two shaped papers in there. You can use them in your projects, or you can put your photographs on top and put them there, or some other way. And I would love to know how you use it. And this is not going to be on sale at the moment, but when I open my shop, I'll put it on sale whenever my shop is open. This is the paper clip, the hidden paper clip that we made, and I've clipped on this envelope. I've just put a little bit of this layering here, but I haven't done much. The only thing I've done is put this in one of the videos, and then again it has all the sayings and the words, the inspirational quotes in there. I put it in here, and I think I'm going to slide this one in as well. So I have not done anything with it. This is an embossed envelope that you can tuck it in any journal that you want to. It was cut out from a larger envelope, and it can be used as a tuck spot. So let's open this one. It opens up like this, and there's a card in there. Very cute. It comes with the printer book. You can watch my first video in which I've actually gone through this before, but it wasn't decorated then. Little small cluster that I've made. Usually, of course, when you're on video, things don't decide to go inside well, but it goes perfectly. It just glides in perfectly normally, but I'll do it later. Okay, so this is a tuck spot as well, and I think I just stuck this. No, I didn't. It wasn't here. And then we have these two, and I made these two in one of the videos. These two pages. These are some just old cards that I have. I just put these cards here from the invitation wedding invitation shop that I have a stash from, and we made. I didn't do anything to these beautiful tags. You will be able to see in my videos. I didn't do anything to these two ones. I just put these sari silk ribbons bows on top. They just look beautiful just as they are, and I made this cluster, and I also covered up this page in one of the process videos. Let's open this one up. Let's just open these together. They look very cute like this. So we decorated this tag together in one of the videos. So this one goes down like this, and this is where we put. I didn't put anything in there, and the reason is that it's already, there's a lot going on here, and the journal also becomes very just like this. It becomes very thick and very bulky, and you can't put in more things if you want to put in some of your stuff in there. Then if I put so much stuff, that it becomes very, very bulky. So I didn't put anything there. So let's go to the back side of it. You've already seen this one. Okay, so we made this journal in one of the videos, process videos, and inside again there are lots of sayings and words in there. And then let's open this. So this is a floating pocket. I couldn't really find anywhere, but I would put this in. These two tags, these beautiful tags are in there. I didn't do anything to this one. Just some detailed stitching and bow. And this one with the butterflies, I just put the flower on top. So the sari silk has these fibers coming out. That's how sari silks are. So I'll put this back in later. So this is another duck spot here, like this. You can put this here. Maybe we'll just put this one. These things are coming out, so just leave this alone. I'm going to do this later on. Okay, then the signature at the back. And this one we had created a paper clip. This paper clip. So we had made this paper clip in one of the videos, and it is put like this so that from the front you can see this on top. So again, lots of lovely colored pages, and this is the wax doily. The wax has rubbed off here. Looks nice. Gives it a texture and shape. Beautiful printables. Most of them are green dyed, and then this one is tea dyed. This printable, the back of it is tea dyed. I think I've made this in one of the videos. Yes, this, I remember this goes here. So I made this. I don't think this one was in any of the videos, but I made. So it's a double pocket, again cut off from an envelope, and this is also the card which went inside the envelope, so it's kind of matching. So I just put this one here and this one to go with it inside here. I think this might have been in the printables. Impossible for me to remember. Okay, so this is just some scrappy piece of paper, tea-dyed paper, and this does have a tuck spot here. So you can put something else here. This is not going in, so it's nice. Just a little floating tuck spot. So the front, this patch that we put on here is coming on the back side over here. I mean, really, seriously, tell me how beautiful and absolutely, it just looks amazing. I love it. So this is the front, and I hope I've been through everything. Yes, I think so. This is it. This is the beautiful journal that I created when I did the collaboration of How Boho Can You Go. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the process videos. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. See you next time.